I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job to find. And if I work tonight, if I'm so tired tonight, I'll fall asleep when I'm home, when I'm home. I was just so far from here, focused on my own way, with never looking back to those who lived in fear. There was nothing I could do, there was nothing you said that could make me realize how much lucky I was. Just out of reach of the fire, was not aware of this nightmare. But when I stopped to see through sight, begging for help, begging for hope, just need to open my eyes down to try to change them to sunshine, to be someone longer that I've got to try. If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight.
And all the proceeds from the car show goes to benefit the Skyline FFA chapter. So I've got a phone, our main sponsor. Our next car show, our cruise-in, will be May the 6th. And October the 7th, we'll be giving away a grand prize.
I can see my life is crap, I have to see them too. I just live into my world, far from the pain.
May the 6th at 10 a.m. at Highlands Health and Recon, 280 Woodcove Road here in Scottsboro. We're
Just need to open my eyes now to try to change them to sunshine, to be someone longer though I've got to try. If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job to find. And if I work tonight, if I'm so tired tonight, I'll fall asleep when I'm home. I was so wrong, I was so blind, I was so dumb and out of time. I was so wrong, I was so blind, I was so If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight,